So I think I finally maybe found some things that I'm inspired by. So I liked this field image because I like the idea of like putting something in the field in this open area, and I was thinking maybe that skull that I found over here, that skull might work nice in this area. Or I found these glasses a long time ago and I put them in my folder because I just really loved them, and I think maybe they would look kind of fun nestled into a landscape. And I also like the idea that we could put a different image in the glasses and maybe put it upside down, so it was like another landscape within the glasses within a different landscape. Although I do think that this image is just too big. Like I think that maybe these would work better on an image that was a little bit smaller so they could take up more focus. I did recently get this book, New England Foliage Trails, and there are some smaller images in this book. So let's take a little flip through. Oh, I feel like even this first one, like the glasses I feel like are kind of a good size and they would fit in this like open field here. Like already that one, I feel like these are much more normal size. I mean, even if you put the glasses and the pumpkins were in the glasses, that's kind of funny. But I feel like these are a better size. So I'm gonna flip through this book and see if there's some ones that we like. Okay, so there's two I like in this book. This one, I like the idea that the arm of the glasses might land in the second field going over the fence. It's tough to know until we actually cut out the glasses. And then that one from the beginning that we first saw, this one is also one that I like. So I'm gonna cut out both of these and cut out the glasses. And as soon as we put them on top, we'll know if it will work or not. So that's the plan. Okay, glasses are cut out. Let's see if these work on these backgrounds. It's kind of fun. I really do like how the black pops on the green and the foliage. All right, let's try the other one. So I don't hate this one, but I don't love it. So I think that we should keep looking for other backgrounds because I like this idea. I just don't think that this combo is the best combo we could have ever. Oh, so I just put these glasses back on the other one, and if I position it in the right way, it kind of creates a bridge over the road. And maybe, I still don't think that this is the right background, but I kind of like that idea. Like the cars would be driving underneath the brim of the glasses. Kind of like that idea. So maybe we can try to make that work. So actually, before we get too far with this, there are other glasses in this book, and I kind of want to make this a series. So let's pull out some other glasses, because while I'm flipping through all these landscapes, I might as well have another pair of glasses to be looking for. So let's find if there are any other cool looking ones in here. All right, I think I found a few backgrounds that I like a lot, and let's take a peek at them. So I found a few that I liked that work with these black glasses. And so this one is a little bit, so I thought the bridge worked really well with the road, but the image isn't quite big enough for the glasses, and it kind of is blending in. The black is blending in maybe a little bit too much with the rest of the background. So let's look at the next one. This one, I thought the glasses fit over that part of the road really well. And for some reason, I thought it was like eerily close. So I was like, well, maybe that's the right option. But I do feel like maybe it's covering up too much of the road. It might feel like it's a little bit hard to read. The last one, I think that this one's probably the best one. So I like this one for a few reasons. I think that the black of the glasses really pops off this like sand desert color. And then I also think that we can find a really cool image to put in the glasses, part of the glasses, to add some cool contrast, like maybe a beach scene with some ocean. So then it's like a dry desert, and then in the glasses is this like wet ocean. I think that's kind of like a nice play on those two different concepts. So I'm liking this one. Now let's talk about the second pair of glasses. Basically, I like this for two reasons. The glasses, I think, pop really well off the background, and I thought the perspective worked. And now I'm sort of debating in my head whether or not we remove the blue part of this, of the glasses. Do we keep them in because they're kind of cool, or do we take them out and replace the glasses with something else? So I'm not sure yet, but I think that I like this one enough that we should continue with this one and see if we can find a cool ocean scene to go in the glasses. So I found a few ideas for the ocean part of the glasses. The first one is this sort of, I think it's an island in Hawaii maybe. And so the glasses would sort of align like that. So that's one option. But then I found this guy surfing. And if we can get part of the image to work in both sides of the glasses, I think that I like this one because I love that the guy is surfing. And I feel like that might add a little bit extra of like a fun touch to this. So I think we still need to do a little bit of finessing, clean up some of the edges around these images, but I think this is really close. The last thing I want to do is cut out this bar here, because if we were fully replacing the glasses, we wouldn't see through them. So I'm going to cut this bar out, and I hope that will help with the illusion a little bit. But I think that this one is coming along pretty good. This is so fun. I'm super in love with this. I think that we're done. I'm calling it done. But I do think we need to look at the other collage because I think it needs some help. Okay, we have to figure out what we want to put in the lenses. I haven't decided yet. I still don't know. But we need something. these turned out so good. And you know, it's a pretty simple concept too. Like I took glasses and put them in a landscape and then took a different, you know, environment and put them in the lenses. And we created these sort of like micro scenes within a larger scene, and they're really cool. And I love the colors, I think, is what I really nailed on this. So, you know, the purple, we have this like faded blue and green background, and then the purple is like a total contrast to that. The whole thing works so well. And then similar thing over here, you know, the black of the glasses pops really well in the sand, and then the blue pops off all of that because it's 3 distinct different colors. And I think that's what makes both of these pieces really strong. And man, it's funny because I started this day just sort of like pulling out stuff because I wasn't quite sure what we were gonna do. But at the end of the day, these came out great and I'm super happy with them. And so I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you next Thursday for another collage video. Bye.